Hey guys, welcome back to Southern Balance. Today we're talking with Michael, my friend at Traders Village. He owns Kiblers Kollectibles out at Traders Village. He's in booth 152 and 154. So let's visit with Michael and see what he's got. Hey Michael, how you doing? Why don't you show us around your store today?
I'm doing all right.
That's good.
So first, right here we have our new comic book wall. Where we have the latest issues from Marvel, DC, and a few different independent comic companies.
Okay.
Right now, the hottest ones are the different variant Funko covers that they create for them.
Yeah, that's neat. Wow, that's cool. So you always have a good selection of those?
Yeah.
That's good. Okay.
Every week we have new issues that come out that we get in.
Okay.
And we also take pre-orders for them as well.
Oh wow,
so
you do.
There's certain ones coming out that people want to get that they may not be able to find elsewhere.
Oh.
We can get them here for them.
That's really good, especially for an independent retailer that you have that much control. That's really good. So you have more things than what somebody would find in the regular stores?
Yeah.
That's very cool.
We have a larger selection, and then we can still access a lot of the older things that they don't carry at most stores anymore.
Oh wow, that's very, very cool. Okay, what else you got over here? You got a big old selection, I see. Big inventory.
So our most popular products are the Funko Pops. They're currently the #1 collectible in the world.
Really?
They make them for pretty much everything.
Okay.
Hip-hop artists, TV shows, comic books,
okay,
Disney characters.
Okay.
Even ad icons like the McDonald's figures.
Okay, so like some of these are going to be like extremely collectible and, you know, just like real popular with the pop culture, I guess. Pop culture, get it?
Over time, they all generally increase in value as well.
Oh, I see. Okay.
They only make a certain number of each character.
Oh, that's I didn't know that.
Once they make that number, it becomes vaulted.
Okay.
And typically a lot harder to get.
Okay, and you always have a pretty good selection of those?
Yeah. So every week we usually get anywhere between 100 and 300 different items in. From what we had the week before.
Wow, and that also is usually a larger selection than what I'm going to find in the stores or what the customers are going to find in the stores?
Yeah, we actually have a contract directly with Funko, so we're able to get in any items they still have in stock that you might not see in stores anymore.
Okay.
And then we also purchase people collections as well.
Oh, you do?
So we end up with older items that, you know, aren't even manufactured anymore.
So you're telling me that somebody could have their own pop figure and they could actually bring them out here and possibly you would buy it? Is that what you're saying?
Buy it as well as trading.
Oh, wow, that's very cool.
So if you have like way too many in your collection and you're trying to narrow down and get some new figures, you can bring them in and we can trade for the things you might want currently.
Okay.
That way you're actually not spending money but trading something you no longer want.
Very cool. It sounds like it's win-win. Show us some more of the inventory because it looks like you got a huge selection.
Yeah, so right here we have the current Chase variants that we have in stock. The Tornado, Bill Murray from Zombieland, and Patrick Bateman from American Psycho.
Okay.
Usually anytime a figure comes out that has Chase variants, we typically get in at least 30 Chases. And the same with other items, we do take pre-orders for those as well.
Okay.
So if it's a Chase figure, you know, that's coming out that you want to be able to get a hold of, we have them in stock here.
Okay, I didn't even know that they came in the large sizes like that. That's pretty cool. I've never even seen that before.
Yeah, they make them in the 10-inch sizes.
Okay.
And they also make comic moments and movie moments, which are like miniature scenes from books or TV shows with multiple different characters in them.
Oh, wow. That's very cool. Wow, look at the selection. What a huge inventory.
Yeah, right now we have about 700 different figures in stock.
Wow.
And that's typically the number that we stay around.
Oh, you always have around 700?
Higher than that.
Okay, well that's a huge selection.
Differentiation.
That's pretty cool. Wow, look at that. Just pops as far as the eye can see. What about these guys up here?
So those are the new DC collectible figures. Because in addition to Pops, we do carry other action figures as well. But those are typically on a pre-order basis.
Okay.
So even though our store is mostly Pops, you can actually get in any type of action figure or statue that a person wants.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So you will take, on occasion, special requests from somebody?
Yeah, we actually do probably 50% of our business as pre-orders.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. So like right now, we actually have a a large amount of pre-orders for items that come out in October and November already.
Oh wow, that's
And
actually
that
really
way,
cool.
Instead of having to hunt for it or
Yeah.
wait for larger stores to get them in,
Right.
you can just let us know, and then you don't pay until it actually comes out and you get it in hand.
Wow, that's very cool. That's good customer service. That's something that the larger stores can't even do.
Yeah.
That's very cool. Okay, let's keep on walking around. Let's see what else you got here. Look at this inventory. It's like it goes on for days. It's huge.
So this is more of the Disney and cartoon section right here.
Okay, so they're
things
sort of in
that,
categories.
Kids are more into.
Okay, I see. Wow. Look at that. Even more. Oh my God. Look at that. Huge old selection.
And majority of the things we have here you won't see in, any other store like Hot Topic or Walmart or
Right.
Target, because they typically have maybe 20 to 30 different figures at any time.
Right.
And we easily have 20 times that many.
Wow. Look, what a huge selection. Let's go out here. I noticed that you even had some things in the front. Look at that. And you have a big selection of comic books too. Look at that. Even more in the front. Look at that.
So right here in this section,
Uh-huh.
we actually have a lot of discounted pops.
Okay.
So anytime something comes in where it has some type of box damage to it,
Uh-huh.
most larger stores, they still sell it at regular price, but we typically discount them to $7 a piece.
Oh wow. Okay, that's reasonable. Look at that.
So for people that collect things out of the box,
Uh-huh.
'cause a lot of collectors actually take their collectibles out to display them.
Uh-huh.
This wall would be perfect for them.
Okay.
Because they're saving money on the regular price.
So this is always your discount section is what's facing out
Yeah.
here? Okay.
Yeah,
That's
so
very
a lot
cool.
of times there's new release items on there that arrive with a little bit of damage,
Uh-huh.
such as this Edward Scissorhands.
Uh-huh.
A lot of stores haven't even received them in yet,
Oh wow.
but right now it's $7 just because of a
Oh, I
minor
see.
box damage.
I see. Wow. Well, that's a good discount. So guys, you saw that big old selection of the pop figures. So come out and visit Michael in booth 152 and 154. He's in the front of the market right by the flagpoles. He's got the largest selection in all of Houston, and he'll buy, sell, and trade. So come out and visit with him. Thanks, guys.